Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best small hedge trimmers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Joe HJ604C, a budget-friendly cordless hedge trimmer that's designed for lightweight and occasional use. This 2-in-1 tool is perfect for small gardens and lawn grooming, as it comes with interchangeable 4-inch grass shear blades and 6-inch hedge trimmer blades. The cordless design, powered by a 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery, ensures hassle-free operation without the need for extension cords. Plus, it weighs only 2.49 pounds, making it exceptionally easy to handle, even for extended periods. In terms of design and build quality, the Joe HJ604C features a durable plastic body with ergonomic grips for comfortable use. While the lightweight build is convenient, it does come at the cost of a slightly less robust feel compared to premium models. The stainless steel blades are sharp and efficient for trimming small bushes and grass edges, but they may struggle with thicker branches or dense shrubbery. This trimmer is best suited for homeowners with light trimming needs or those who prioritize affordability. It's not the most powerful option out there, but for under $40, it delivers solid value for small-scale tasks. On the downside, the 1250 RPM speed may feel underwhelming for more demanding projects, and the cutting width is fairly narrow. Overall, if you're on a tight budget and need a reliable tool for basic garden maintenance, the Joe HJ604C is worth considering. Coming in at number 4, we have the Shears cordless hedge trimmer. This versatile 2-in-1 tool includes a 4.13-inch grass shear blade for lawn maintenance and a 9.45-inch hedge trimmer blade designed for shrubs and bushes. Powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, the Shears trimmer offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge, making it ideal for medium-sized yards and light landscaping projects. It even comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, so you can keep one charged while using the other. The Shears trimmer scores high in terms of design and usability. Weighing 4.74 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but the ergonomic handle compensates for this by ensuring comfort during prolonged use. The adjustable head, which can pivot at angles of 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees, allows you to tackle hard-to-reach spots with ease, making it a great choice for uneven terrain or intricate garden designs. The double safety lock system is a thoughtful addition, providing an extra layer of security during operation. Performance-wise, the Shears delivers solid results for light to moderate trimming tasks. The 1200 RPM motor offers enough power to handle small branches and dense grass, but it may not be sufficient for heavy-duty projects. The inclusion of a storage case is a nice touch, making it easy to keep all components organized. While the price is not available at the moment, the features and build quality suggest it's a mid-range option. If you're looking for a flexible, user-friendly hedge trimmer with decent power, the Shears is a great pick. At number 3, we have the Shears 7.2V cordless hedge trimmer and grass shear. This compact 2-in-1 trimmer is perfect for small gardens, lawns, and intricate landscaping tasks. With a 6-inch hedge trimming blade and a 3.8-inch grass shear blade, it offers great versatility for shaping bushes and edging lawns. What sets this trimmer apart is its 2,000 mAh high-capacity battery, which provides up to an hour of runtime and charges conveniently via USB. The design of the Shears trimmer is lightweight and ergonomic, weighing just 1.74 pounds. This makes it incredibly easy to maneuver, even for extended use. The handle offers a comfortable grip, and the safety lock feature ensures that accidental starts are avoided. The uprated motor, with a speed of 1100 RPM, provides reliable performance for light trimming tasks, though it's not designed for heavy-duty cutting. In terms of value, the Shears is an excellent choice for those who prioritize portability and convenience. Its compact size and USB charging capability make it perfect for smaller spaces or occasional use. The stainless steel blades are durable and deliver clean cuts, but the narrow cutting width may limit its efficiency for larger areas. Overall, The Hedge trimmer is a fantastic tool for gardeners seeking a lightweight, user-friendly option for detailed work. Our runner-up is the Cordless Hedge trimmer, a powerful and versatile tool with a 600-watt high-power motor. This 2-in-1 trimmer doubles as a grass shear and bush trimmer, with an 8.66-inch blade designed for shrubs and a 5.11-inch blade for grass. Included with the trimmer are 2 high-capacity batteries, which provide extended runtime for larger projects, whether you're trimming hedges, mowing lawn edges, or pruning plants. The offers precise and efficient results. The design of the trimmer is both practical and ergonomic. It features a non-slip, shock-absorbing grip and flexible skate wheels, making it comfortable to use even for extended periods. The lightweight build, combined with its adjustable blades, ensures a seamless trimming experience across varying terrains. The inclusion of a compact, waterproof, and dustproof storage case adds to its overall convenience, allowing you to keep all components organized. In terms of performance, the delivers excellent results for medium to large gardens. The dual-sided carbon steel blades are sharp and durable, while the low-noise motor keeps operation quieter than many competitors. The only downside is that it's slightly heavier at 3.9 pounds, which could be a factor for those prioritizing ultra-lightweight tools. Despite this, the trimmer is an outstanding option for users needing a versatile, high-capacity tool. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Handheld Grass Trimmer and Mini Hedge Trimmer Kit. This premium trimmer is designed for precision and performance, featuring an 8-inch hedge trimming blade and a 4-inch grass shear blade. Powered by a dependable 20V lithium-ion battery, the trimmer offers consistent power and up to 60 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for both small and medium-sized landscaping tasks. The build quality of the CRAFTSMAN trimmer is exceptional. With its sturdy plastic and stainless steel construction, it feels durable, yet lightweight at 4.99 pounds. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, and the quick blade change system allows you to switch between grass and hedge trimming effortlessly. The trimmer's 5/16-inch cutting depth is perfect for precise detailing, making it ideal for garden enthusiasts who value clean and sharp cuts. While it's the most expensive option on our list at $89.98, the CRAFTSMAN V20 justifies its price with premium features, reliable performance, and a trusted brand name. The high-capacity blade and powerful motor ensure efficient and consistent results, even for more demanding trimming tasks. If you're looking for the best all-around small hedge trimmer that combines quality, power, and versatility, the CRAFTSMAN V20 is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.